Would you believe me if I said you could make 40,000 euros in France in the startup world and you do not require any work permit for it? This is one of the newest pathways launched by France, which we are covering in today's video. So if you want to work in Europe but don't have it in you to struggle for a work permit, this video is for you. Stick around. Hello and namaste, my name is Nidhi Nagori and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for doing so. If you are a regular viewer of my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and spending time with me yet again. My name is Nidhi, I'm a finance professional, a digital creator, and also the founder of Resume Network and Creatify. My goal with all initiatives is to correct all information asymmetry that exists. And today I'm helping you to work in Europe without requiring any work permit with some intense salary. So first, let's start with the numbers, because even when it's not about money, it is about money. In France, under the talent visa, the minimum annual salary that has been set for certain categories of foreign nationals is upwards of 39,000 euros, which comes to about 40,000 euros and roughly about 50,000 US dollars every year. And keep in mind that in many cities in France, the quality of life is also very strong. So this is a pretty good salary offered with a good quality of life. And it is easier to access because you will be skipping the entire work permit route that most people have to go through when they think about working in Europe. Which brings me to talking about what the pathway really is. So this pathway is called the LaFrench Tech pathway. Now don't listen to tech and get all confused, because this is not a pathway meant for just techies. It's a pathway that's meant for French startups to hire English-speaking workers. And in their advantages, they list very clearly that you do not need any work permit under this pathway to work there. It is an initiative that is completely backed by the French government, which wants to attract more and more talent through Mission France to its startups. And employees that move under this pathway will move under the talent qualified employee of an innovative company route, through which they will only have one residence permit, which makes it easier for them to live and work. So they do not need any other work permit. The only residence permit that they have will support their work authorization and allow them to work in France. So yes, you will apply for a residence visa, but you will avoid the burdensome work permit processing, which is where most of the rejections happen. Now let's talk about why is this even possible in France? Well, first of all, the LaFrench Tech mission has almost 25,000 companies that can sponsor you, and the French government overall has a push towards hiring foreign nationals. So it's a massive ecosystem on one end, and it's the government on the other end that have all come together to support your move. And when you're thinking of who can sponsor you, it is not just the biggest companies that can do that. It's any company that's labeled JEI that is eligible to sponsor. So now that it sounds all exciting, how can you make this work for you? Well, the first and foremost thing that you need is a job offer from a qualified employer. And by qualified employer, I mean that it must be an innovative company. Also, your contract must at least be 3 months long. And you must meet the salary threshold of 39,582 euros annually. Once all of this is met, you can go ahead and apply for your French residence permit in any French consulate near you. Keep in mind that this amazing pathway allows family to move with you. It's 4 years long and it's renewable, so your family can also move along with you. I'm sure the benefits are already clear to you. There is no burdensome work permit processing involved. It's a much quicker and much more efficient pathway. The salaries tend to be on the higher side. The family can move with you. The initial permit is 4 years long and it is renewable. And you can apply for permanent residency in France if you meet their language and other requirements of PR itself. Now, if you're interested, here are some caveats you want to keep in mind. First, the salary threshold matters. Any amount lesser than the salary threshold, which is also updated quite often, will make you ineligible under this pathway. So make sure you always read about the salary threshold and stay above it. Next, you must work for an innovative company. Don't go by what's intuitively innovative to you. The company has to be listed as a JEI or have an official innovative company standing by the government. You will need some sort of language for integration. So while French isn't absolutely essential to work, you might still need some sort of French, some form of French to socially integrate and become a part of the society. Once you start living in France long term, you will also be subject to taxes in France. And while the salary might look good, cost of living in some cities like Paris tends to be on the higher side. So you might want to calculate income versus expenses before signing up. Lastly, competition and timing. Now this route, this pathway right now is relatively underrated and underutilized. But as more and more people become aware about this, which hopefully it will happen through this video, the competition will increase. So you might want to get into the queue today to avoid competition. And you've listened to all of this and are still interested in pathway, this is what you should do. First, build a strong tech or innovation skill set and mindset. Then research which companies qualify under the LaFrench Tech route. Of course, they have a job portal that you can access, but it only has about 1,400 jobs there. Not all jobs are listed there. So start making a list of companies which you can easily find on the LaFrench Tech mission website itself. Then start approaching some of these companies with your status. If you're non-EU, just say that you're a non-EU national that's highly interested, and this is how you can contribute to their organization or their products or their services. And lastly, prepare for your interviews and a life in France. So to wrap up, if you are a professional with a global mindset, the LaFrench Tech pathway can be an amazing ticket for you to start a life in Europe. You do not need any work permit, which makes this pathway super interesting but also super intensive. Because you're talking about working for one of the companies where innovation happens on a daily basis, and there are more than 25,000 of these already, a salary threshold that's realistic, and a streamlined pathway that avoids all the old work permit maze. So if you like this video and want more of such immigration hacks, let me know in the comments and definitely hit the like button down below. And in comment section, also drop what your background is so that I can come up with videos that can help you. And that's it. This amazing video has also come to an end. I'll see you in the next video, which I will pick from one of your comments. So please make sure you comment and let me know. And I'll see you in the next video very soon. Until then, take care of yourself. Stay safe. Namaste.